My name is Steve Radosh, and here we are in process of making wine. So for making wine, what you need is grapes. Beautiful grapes, that's from California. You need help.
Muscle.
You need muscles. This is my son-in-law Ivica.
My dad!
Your dad. My son Tugo. And
My
other
uncle.
son Joey.
And my other uncle.
And my producer Ivica.
Yeah.
So here we go. Good. So in order to have a wine like this wine is 1 year old. You need to do a lot of work with it, and you gotta take care of it. So before we start, we're gonna have a glass of wine each, and then you're gonna carry on. And of course, you gotta have a grinder. Come on, to grind the wine, grapes. And then,
Grinder!
okay. Oh, so you gotta go get yourself a grape juice or something. Okay, well, you're a producer, you're not supposed to drink. Okay, let's go, guys.
You gotta have it poured really careful. You don't want to spill.
No, you don't want to spill it because it's so good.
You might spill in the cooler.
So this is actually 1 year old. This is from last year. And I'm using a French Colbar grapes. We checked it out, and that's the closest as we can get to our Croatian Grafevina.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Is it good?
Really?
Okay, let's get it on.
Okay.
You gotta have some more, eh?
Oh, you got nails here? Okay, so who's gonna do what?
Well,
Okay, guys.
we'll switch. I'll dump.
Okay, so listen.
And then you
so,
just
so
walk.
listen.
One of us.
So just remember, there's 30 boxes.
30.
So 7 in each bucket, and then 3 of each bucket. So I got 2 different grapes.
And so 7. So 10 in total, but 7 of one, 3 of the other.
Of course. Okay.
So these are which grapes are these?
Those are Sauvignon Blancs or something.
Hi.
Okay. There we go. Let's go.
Grinding the
You might go with that right
Wait, can we
here.
go back?
Oh,
Yeah.
No, yeah, there.
Okay. Wait,
Okay.
show.
Just
yeah.
Okay, now
Steve,
we're
are we
gonna
live,
throw
buddy?
the first,
Yep.
first bucket. Dump it in the barrel. So there we go.
One is there.
You just keep track of you open them and keep track of what we're doing. I'm in the work clothes, I'm not gonna.
How is it?
Very good.
You want to try and grade, Phoebe?
No. This bench is wobbly. Oh, wait. Filling up. We're 4 buckets in.
Go down, yeah.
Is this like the...
Fine.
Look at all that juice coming out.
Yeah.
Fifth bucket done. We're on our 6th. 25 more to go. 9 buckets. It's almost as, yeah, it's taller than me. It's taller than me. The bucket is really going up. Still have lots of grapes. You're gonna eat all of them before we can
You gotta eat
put
some,
them.
you gotta try it.
Yeah.
And if the grapes are sweet,
grapes are sweet,
then the wine's gonna be good.
if the grapes are sweet, the wine's gonna be good.
Yes.
You heard it here.
Here, look at that.
Oh, is it sweet?
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very good.
Look at all of it. It's all going into there. To make wine.
Does it? Are you taping it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is after we grind 10. This is after we grind 10 boxes of grapes. Okay, there are 10 boxes empty. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of adding to it after we're done, and then we're just gonna carry on.
All right, next batch.
So now,
You're getting ready for soccer practice. Hi, Eva.
Hi. Bye.
All right. Try one. I had one. Have one from over there.
Oh, like one of the good ones.
Yeah, have one. I had one. All right, she had it.
Okay,
Crunchy, right? Still going. How much buckets are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think. Yeah, 7. Still going?
still going.
Oh, that was it. Oh, it's splashing on you.
Yeah, well,
Is your arm getting tired?
No,
Is your hands getting messy?
they're getting slimy.
I'm a director, so
Yeah, you
nice
don't.
and clean.
And he's taking a break.
Yeah.
This guy's doing it for him. We're on the last box. It's almost as tall as the other one.
Then we're gonna start a new batch.
Then we're gonna start a new one. Last box. We just started our last box. Oh, look at that. Nice.
Just dump it.
Oh, you missed. Oh, how's sitting in a mud puddle, eh?
What about the gum boots?
Oh, yeah. It's a good thing you got your gum boots. Last one, this is it.
You gotta get off this stool, Evie.
Oh, getting off the stool. All right,
Dude, I'll put this here. I'm gonna kind of.
we think this
We're gonna move this one over.
is this the last one? Last bucket. This last 10 right here. Oh, whoops. I didn't do sideways camera.
Last push, buddy.
Last push. Last
Yeah, the
one.
bottom is kind of weird on that one.
Right. This
Here
is
we are, starting with the last batch.
starting.
Last 10 boxes. The camera program is over.
Yeah. Then we got it. Right. This is the rest.
This is the last box
Last
this
box.
year.
It's done. Look at all that.
Yeah, so this is the last box for this year. And just keep watching this video. We're gonna have a little bit more because we're not finished yet with making wine. This is just the beginning.
Yeah.
So we'll have more video. Thank you.
We're probably gonna have more videos. But
Here's
yeah.
juice.
The
It's
juice.
called Riesling. And that's way easier way to do it. Which somebody else mixed everything that needs to be mixed. But here we go. Oh, I need a hammer or a knife.
Here's a hammer. Was it hard to open?
Yeah.
No. Alright, shaking it.
Yeah, you have to shake it up because there's some settlement on the bottom. Okay. Now open this up.
Have a sip, Evie.
Okay. And we're gonna dump it inside and let it ferment. Okay. Just easy and don't.
You doing solo?
No,
I thought
no,
you
you can do it solo. It's not too heavy.
Okay, and just fit it in, eh?
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, another bucket. Then you can shake it up.
Do you want to shake it first or?
It's up here. Finishing their wine.
And Boże pomoże. God bless. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
You guys want a little bit more?
This is the
We got tons.
the bucket.
Okay, this is lost.
This is
Okay.
the machine that we were using.
This one?
It was homemade.
Hold a little so you can see the fucking
So, yeah.
out.
All right. Pouring
are
the
you
sugar
filming?
in. Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of water to our grapes.
To the
I
wine.
know a lot of people will not say that because they keep the secret, but I like to do it honestly, and that's the way I do it. And everybody loves my wine. So,
Yeah. Who doesn't?
well, some people like to keep a secret, and I don't. If it's good for me, I think it's good for my friend. Oh my God, that's lots.
No, that's good. We'll check it out.
Like it even out after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, here you gotta put some in there. Huh? No, that's way too much. No.
Once we have it in, we can.
No,
even it
touch,
out.
check it. It's the only way we can. It's the only way we can do it.
Then once we see it, then we can put a little
So
more in there.
kadstavish.
Okay.
How
We
many
don't
buckets?
necessarily need to do these bucket stuff. Some of those nash, right?
Yeah.
That's
They're all
it.
getting
So
filled.
does Letta.
Put a little bit in here.
Okay. Yeah. See.
All right.
More. More.
Is there water in that bucket? Oh. All right. Now there's sugar in there.
Yeah.
You need the water?
Yeah, we put a little bit of water in. I don't want to keep it secret.
Yeah.
That's how I do it, and that's my wine. That's Steve's wine.
Steve's wine.
Yes. Sam imaš onaj ražen uzi.
Wait.
Doesn't matter, koji god hoćeš. That's fair one. Yeah, that's the one.
Is it going in all of the wine?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys mixing it?
Yeah, this is how we mix it. Okay, you dump one in.
Is that the same stick we used for
No,
the lamb and pig?
There you go.
Whoa.
Okay, make sure that's all.
Yeah, it is.
The other buckets are just full of sugar. Full of sugar. And fruits and grapes and juice. Alright. Dump the next bucket in this one. We're on another bucket now.
There we go. Come on, Togo. Get it going.
Yeah!
Oh, easy.
He's going real fast. Whoa. Nice.
Okay, just mix it. Here.
Is there sugar
Make
at the
sure-
bottom?
Make sure there's no.
Is it dissolved?
Okay, nice
Good.
bucket.
Alright. Nice. Look how full these are. Go. Alright. What do you gotta say? It's
Okay, is that ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we are. We did add a little bit of water and a little bit of sugar. And like I said earlier, some people will keep a secret from you guys, but I don't want to do that. That's how I do it all the time, and then my wine turns out good. So we're gonna leave it like this to ferment for about 4 days.
4 days.
and then we're gonna transfer juice to the demijohns. And then we're gonna show you another video. So there's gonna be 2 more videos before.
Well, not 2 more videos, just like
Yeah, 2 more sections.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we're
And
gonna
for-
be back 4 days later, right?
That's right. We'll be back in 4 days later. So we're gonna let this ferment. I'm gonna mix it every day, and that's gonna now ferment and turning. These grapes are gonna turn into a
Wine.
wine, but it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Hi again. This is 4 days after we crushed the grapes.
Yeah.
Hi to everyone, and have a nice day and good day to all of you. So this is how it looks after 4 days that we've been fermenting. And I don't know if you can see it. This is can you close up? You can see all the juice here. All the grapes are up here, or used to be grapes, now it's fermented stuff.
Doesn't
we're gonna-
smell too good.
Well, that's alcohol. So now we're gonna take juice out, and it's gonna go like this. Are you showing it?
Yep.
So this is the juice that will go okay. I'm gonna fill this up, but I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So this will be filled up,
It will be filled up.
and then it's gonna go into the demijohns that are washed, and they gotta smell good. You gotta make sure that you smell them, so there is no funny smell. And then we go. So this is the first little bit of juice in the demijohn. So you gotta fill it all up. And then it's gonna ferment as well in those demijohns. So you have to put air lockers, which is like this. Then you gotta fill it up with the water so the air doesn't come in. And that's gonna turn into a really good wine. But it'll take probably another month. It'll ferment for another month or less. And the heat is gotta be the same. You cannot turn the heat down. And basically that is it. So we'll see you again, maybe when we're gonna make a first transfer, and then we'll have a taste of a wine. For now, thank you very much, and bye-bye everybody.
Bye.